Dear Diary, last night I heard 3 knocks on my door. Knock, knock, knock. 11 o'clock at night, in a city where I know nobody. My heart was beating fast. Tonight, I will tell you who it was. Welcome back. I am Stasy. Tonight, just notice 2 words. There is and there are. Subscribe and follow my new life, 1 page at a time. So, last night, I stood behind my door. I did not move. I did not breathe. Knock, knock, knock. Again. Then I heard a soft voice. Hello? Are you okay, dear? It was an old woman's voice. Slowly, I opened the door. Just a little. An old woman stood there. She was small. She had gray hair and kind eyes. In her hands, there was a plate of warm food. Hello, she said. My name is Mrs. Bell. I live next door. I heard you arrived today. You looked tired, so I made you some dinner. I did not know what to say. A stranger cooked for me? My eyes filled with tears. Thank you, I said. Thank you so much. Mrs. Bell came inside. She looked around my empty room. There is no table, she said with a smile. There is no chair. There are no pictures. I know, I said. There is only 1 suitcase. It is mine. She laughed softly. Don't worry, dear. When I came to this city, I had nothing too. That was 40 years ago. 40 years. She was once like me, alone, afraid. We sat on the floor and we ate together. The food was warm, and slowly, the room felt warm too. Before she left, Mrs. Bell held my hand. Listen, dear, she said. There is a little flower shop on our street. My friend works there. They need help. Maybe you can work there. Work? My first job? In English? But my English is not good, I said. She smiled. Your English is enough, and it will grow. Mine did. Then she went home, and I was alone again. But it was a good kind of alone. Tomorrow, I will go to the flower shop. Tomorrow, I will look for my first job. I am scared, but I am not alone anymore. Thank you for reading page 2 with me. Tonight, a stranger was kind to me, and I learned something. We are never really alone. Thank you for reading page 2 with me.